Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Oppo A2. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, choose wherever you want to, and then tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung, and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oppo. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to selected here. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up, and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then select Receive button to connect. Close apps. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!